y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I present to you my disgusting washer that needs to be cleaned so bad. We have hard water here, so the hard water stains show up everywhere around this house, and more so in the washer. The buildup is really bad around the agitator because of the softener buildup. I stopped using fabric softener about a month ago to help with the buildup, so I'll see if it makes a difference in the cleanliness after I clean it all today. This washer is an oldie, but it's a goodie. She's not the prettiest, but it gets the job done. A new one is on my future shopping list, but for now, if it ain't broke, I ain't gonna fix it. To clean all the parts inside, I'm using a soft scrub with bleach. It's a gritty agent, so it really helps scrub away that built-on mess, and the bleach is gonna help whiten everything. This is one of my favorite products to use, and I use it all around my house. If you have a washer like mine, using a water bottle like this to forcefully flush out the softener drain holes works really well. Now that everything is scrubbed down and rinsed, I'm going to use my favorite washer cleaner of Fresh. Todd has one too, but I really don't care for the smell. This one does a really great job and it smells good. I'll leave the link down below if you want to check it out. All right, y'all, my washer is finally sparkling clean after all that scrubbing. All the stains and the buildup are gone and it's bright white. I feel so much better about washing my clothes now. If you watch this video, consider it your sign to go deep clean your washer. All washers are different, so they require different cleaning methods. But if you have one similar to mine, then hopefully I could help you with a good cleaning method to follow. And that is all for today, guys. I hope to see y'all soon. Bye.